Han, please, can you just don't say that? Palagi niyan sinasabi na...
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello mga ka-everything! Good morning! Kuha lang tayo ng sapatos ni Tommy dito. And 7 o'clock something na. Nagutom ako, sabi ko, Han, can you make the French toast? Because he did it the last time. I said, it's good. So,
I can do that.
we're gonna eat together, right? Say good morning. They call you Mr. Everything. Hi.
Mr. Everything?
Hi, Mr. Everything. Good morning.
I Mr. Nothing.
No. She's making some French toast. And I said, I want my French toast fat. Because this is the kind of bread na ginagamit sa French toast.
Hala bread.
Hala hala.
You tell me how fat you want it. Let me guess here.
Okay, hala, sorry. Use the bread, that one. You do it?
Like that fat? More.
No. I think that's good. That's it.
How many pieces?
Just one. You're gonna make yours too.
I'll make mine thin. Well, thinner than that.
So, French toast and coffee. Do you remember, you know where I like it the first time I ate it? Like that kind of toast. Remember in Jesus' wedding?
Just call it challah bread French toast. This French toast, you can use regular white bread, you can use wheat bread, you can use any kind of bread you want.
Oh, this one, guys, is still growing. They don't die. It's good. They're still here. They're still alive and kicking. Yeah, on. And I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm going to call my sister. There are a lot of squirrel.
You want to put some water in there.
Yeah, okay.
Before you do it, just so it doesn't give you a shortcut.
Why you put ahead?
Believe me.
Believe me. Believe me. Oh, you put sugar too? That's what you did?
Well, no, because I don't have, generally you get two kinds
Is that what you did before?
Yes.
Okay.
Use,
My headache, every time I woke up or like 7, my head is killing me. Freaking thing ba?
what?
Squirrel.
What about?
It's like it's eating the thing.
Well, let the dogs out there.
And also, the leaves start, guys, we're all September, okay? Not even October yet. And it's really starting already. Usually the leaves in our tree here is not really that crazy yet, but I can see already earlier. Nag-change color na siya sobrang aga. Tapos ko lang nag-edit ng isang video. Yan, nakatapos tayo ng isang video. And yun, ayusin ko lang. May mga damit ako dito na dapat sa taas. Ito yung problema. Kailangan may mga sa taas. May sa baba dito. Mga panglakad. Ito. Slacks. Ito. Ito talagang asawa ko kapag siya yung maglaba. Naka-fold na yung mga gamit. Yung mga ano ko. Pero kapag ako yung maglaba, dump lang natin, guys. Saka magaling pa si Tommy kasi ganito siya mag-fold. Ganyan. Ako dahil pang bahay lang. Ganito, dahil pang bahay. Panglakad yan, iba yung folding style. Ganyan. Bebe! Bebe Tame! Pante. Bebe! 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 You, bebe! I said, bebe! Saka itong mga ganito sa taas ito. Mga sweater. Ang mga ano lang talaga. Hiwa-hiwalay itong mga damit ko. Sa taas, sa baba, sa baba, sa taas. So sabi ko kay Tami, i-ano mo nga yung karaoke. Ilagay mo dito sa loob. I-connect mo ba? Sabi ko. Connect mo dong. Para naman makapag-karaoke ako dong. Kapag ako mag-isa dong. Yun, inano niya. Ganyan yan si Tami. Nilabhan ko din itong mga robe ko, guys, kasi ang babango. Ang babango ng mga robe. I've always walked around, know that you're here with me. What did you drop?
According to a major publication, lack of sleep can
Oh.
impair your memory and concentration. To take on the day, introducing safe, gentle, natural, relaxing sleep. Developed by a renowned neurologist, Dr. Eric Sylvester.
Oh, you cannot push this a little bit?
Push it where? Back?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna crack this.
More refreshed and alert, and experience 80% improved concentration.
You smell like eggplant, hoy. And tomato, where you been? You going to Mama's garden? Roxy, listen to Mama. Look at me. Look at me. What did you do in my garden? Don't ignore me. What did you do in my garden? Why you went to the tomato? I'm not gonna bring you back. I'm gonna go out there. Hey, listen to me. I'm gonna go up there. Yeah, I'm not bringing you. What did you do in Mama's tomato and eggplant over there? I can smell eggplant and tomato on you. Mama is gonna almost there. Do you want to go or what? And I'm going upstairs soon. I'll bring Misty. Misty? Misty, come here. I'll bring Misty, not you. I'm gonna go upstairs and Dada is going with me. You stay down here, huh? You stay down here. I see you like crawling under my garden. What did you do in there? Show Mama, come here. Give me a kiss that we can. Give Mama a kiss. Come. Do you want something? Kisses. Give Mama a kiss. Okay, I'll bring Misty. Misty, come. Do you want to go upstairs? Give Mama a kiss. Come here, Mitika, Mitika. Come no, Mama, come here, right here. Come, Aduy. You're a good girl. Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy, come here to Mama. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss properly. I don't want that. Give me a kiss.
20 years ago, I was an
Kisses.
associate art pusher. The different positions I've had.
Do you want to go out? Kisses.
How to be there.
Not my lips. Not my lips.
I started out as a cashier.
Hi, Misty. Hi, baby monkey. Oh, monkey. I love my monkey now. Monkey. I love my monkey. Peekaboo. Look at this, guys. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You're so cute. I love you. I love my monkey. Magsilos na si Roxy, patay. Iba pa naman yung magsilos kasi papatayin niya si Dakidak. Ganito yung life, guys. Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog ulit dahil alam nyo na, nanonood lang kami ni Tami ng show. And ito, yung mga inantinupi ko kaninang umaga. Ngayon, hapon na. 5 o'clock na. Nanonood lang kami ng movie. And then, nag-edit ako ng video. Oh my goodness, Hala, my God. Whew! Nahulog. Pasensya na, guys. Ito siya. Ay. Buti na lang hindi naputi. Na ano yung salamin. Lagyan ko lang ito ng picture para i-display. Tingnan niyo itong pusa. Natutulog sa baba. Ngayon, pupunta dito para lang maging nosy. Para maging nosy, ha? Dito yung picture ng kapatid ko at ako. Si Inday. Yung sa Cebu pa kami dalawa. And ito yung pag-uwi namin ni Tami 2010. Pagkatapos ng kasal namin. Dito ko siya ilagay. And then ito dito sa family. Yan sa gitna. Yan yung isa. Kulang ng 2 lalaki. 2 lang yung nandito. Kulang 2 lalaki. Tignan nyo itong si Habs, oh. Tignan nyo ito. Hobbs, what the heck are you doing? Tingnan nyo, tingnan nyo. What are you doing? You're so noisy. Hey, what are you doing? Uy, naku, ginoo ko. Hey, no, don't eat that. That's a picture. Oh, my husband is nakahubad pala si Tami. Pinakain lang na yung mga aso, guys. Say hi. Look. Hi guys, hi everything. I know I didn't vlog for the whole day because iring nagakos, guys. I've been watching the dog because the dog is trying to get chipmunks. And you know chipmunks is the cutest little teeny tiny rats. Maraming chipmunks.
Basically, like, you know, squirrels are rodent family, you know that, right? Squirrels are rodent family.
Oh yeah, squirrel. And harvest tayo, guys, ng ano, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Meron pa tayong maraming tomato. Harvest natin ang tomato. Pakita ko sa inyo, okay? Ang dami pang bunga kasi, oh. Ang dami pang bunga. Look, ang dami. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. Love lifted me. Lifted me. Lifted me. Then you claim to die. Grabe. Yung kapitbahay namin dito, pumunta siya dito. Sabi pa niya, grabe. Ang dami pang bunga, oh. Ang daming bunga. Okay, ito. Yan. Yan pa dito. Dalawa. Okay. Marami pa din. Sino babigyan ko nito? Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami pa, guys. Akala ko katapusan na. Hindi pa pala. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Look, ang dami. Ang ano ng dahon, oh. Diba ang ganda, guys? Ang nag-change na yung mga dahon. Dito din, nag-change na, look. Ang ganda na sa labas. Ang daming tomato. I'm going to boil this tomorrow and make a sauce. Ay, bihon. Yeah.
You got soup, you got ribs, you got a little piece of fish.
I just gonna finish the fish and the
you got
bihon.
some chicken that I cooked the other night, remember?
Oh, yeah. Can I finish that fish and the bihon?
And
And a little bit of rice. That's it. A little bit.
chicken too?
Honey, can I just eat the fish
Some
first?
soup on the rice?
You know you have to bring food tomorrow. Han, what time are you gonna leave me, Han?
Relatively early because Andy said that the rain is supposed to be early.
You like to leave me early, huh? You don't even tell me you're leaving until I hear you.
Well, I just spoke to Andy. He's the one who told me.
You should.
And then Isabel's call came in while I was on Andy. That's when you heard me. So I wasn't even off the phone from the time I found out.
But you never told me you're leaving.
Huh? First of all, you knew I was leaving, and I didn't find out what time until I spoke to Andy, so there you go.
Wait, what time is the thing? You don't have...
He said the rain is supposed to start early afternoon, so.
And also the attic clear stuff.
I know.
I got a lot of tomato, guys. Anyway, katatapos ko lang naliligo, guys.
Fish? Piece of chicken with the fish? It's a little tiny piece of fish.
Yeah, I don't wanna eat so much. I eat a lot of lunch. Kumain ako ng maraming lunch. So, yun. Do you want some bihon?
Tell me how much.
That's it.
Well, I told you, tell me how much, and I keep going. There's nothing I can do about it. It's just...
And can you just leave it there? You make it more dirty. You have to bring food tomorrow, huh? That you have munchy when you watch a debate. Tommy is sad that he is not gonna be here. Debate. It's a debate tomorrow, 9 o'clock ng gabi. Debate ng mga president. President, Yun, late na akong nakapag-vlog, guys, kasi wala, nag-ano lang ako, nabibisi. Sa kakalaro, nanonood kami ng show ni Tommy early. We watched Lost, and also we're gonna continue watching tonight. And what else, honey?
You're only going to finish season. You have 2 episodes left that season, and you have to wait.
You have to wait till you get home. So while you're in your Rochelle, you're gonna start throwing garbage, put it together what you bring. Kumain ako nito kanina, guys, lunch. Yung sabaw, ano siya. Can I pour it back?
No, I just a little bit of both.
Oh, okay. Han, please, can you just don't say that? Palagi niya sinasabi na ayaw ko siyang kumain ng Filipino food. I really want him to eat. Like, it makes me happy to see him eating my cooking. Makes me so happy. Like,
I'm going to take 2 of these for these kids, because they did eat.
Han, are you sure they eat together? They eat?
Something that I wanted to make both, but that's possible too.
Gusto ni Tabi ng sabaw. Bigyan natin siya ng gulay at sabaw. Do you wanna eat this long paper? No one will eat that. I will end up throwing that out.
Why do we eat stuff?
Because
Because what?
I don't eat that.
Is it really bad?
No, it probably spicy. That's why.
Spicy is good.
You want it?
That's what Filipinos like spicy.
Yeah, but this kind hot long paper. Meron tayong mga gulay, guys. Lulutuin ko na lang yan bukas. He's not gonna be here, but I will cook it. And I have another chicken in the refrigerator downstairs. Oh my god. I will probably put it in the freezer. It's probably too late already. I like to close this, kasi parang hindi kayo masyado kita sa kapitbahay. Nung pumunta dito yung kapitbahay, sabi pa niya, oh, ang laki ng bahay. Matagal na daw siyang, you have to, sabi pa niya, oh, ang laki ng bahay niyo. Nakapunta daw siya dito, sila dalawa, pumasok dito. Sabi pa niya, nakapunta sila dito noong previous owner dito, sabi pa. Ano daw, malaki daw tong bahay. Malaki naman talaga dito. Maluwang ba? Maluwag, look. Maluwag. Maluwag. Tapos, hindi ko siya bino-blow dry ng yung parang dry na dry kasi sirang-sira na itong buhok ko. Diba sabi ko sa inyo na mahilig ako maglagay ng pants ito noon. So, yung pag-uwi ko sa galing Pilipinas, ang dami kong binili. Nagamit ko na yung iba, yung pagdating ko talaga dito. So, yun, ito yung natira. 4. Marami ito. Actually, marami. 4 na lang, natira. Nasa box pa. Yung price nito, yung pag ko, 42. Ano siya? White Beauty New Natural Fair Shade. 4 na lang yung natira. And then ito, ang bilis kong, ang bilis. Kasi binilisan ko, sabi ko, ay, naku, bilisan natin itong mukha natin, mukhang patutoy. Nilagay ko na dito yung mga, natin. Hello. Nilagay ko na dito yung mga perfume ko kasi ano, para kita. Ito, lagyan ko pa to ng mga pictures. Ito kailangan kong ilagay dito. Dinala ko tong si box. Ang ganda ng ano ng pan sa mukha. Maganda siya.